Okay, this is a meter and a control that I'm going to put on here so I can control the amps going to my HHO generator. And also I was wanting to show you, this is the fuse for the generator. It's aftermarket. You can buy it at the parts store and you just plug it in and you plug 2 fuses into it. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was my kill switch right here. I can turn it off and turn it on to add water or to do maintenance or whatever to it, so you don't have to remove the fuse. You can just turn the switch off. And then this, I'm going to be putting this amp meter in my rheostat to adjust the amps to it right here. Now the one I have now is probably running about 5 amps. It's a very small unit. And hold on a second. Well, like I said in the other video, I was going to show you the plate configuration, but as you can see, it's been making gas down there, and when it does, the water gets kind of brown, so you can't really see in there anymore. But at least you can see what the results are. So my next attempt is going to be, I'm going to take this grill section off, and there's a lot of room in there. I'm going to figure out a way to put all my stuff in there, and then all I'll have is a hose which will be coming up to go in here, and it'll route from here over here somewhere, down in there and through there, and it'll go in here to my bubbler. So that's going to be my next attempt, I believe. Also, I wanted to tell you too that there's different configurations of these generators. You can have one that don't even have a tank. It's just a bunch of plates stacked together with rubber gaskets, and water will flow through them and give you the same result. But mine's very low amperage. Some of those are very high amperage, and you could have to change your alternator, which I'm still using the original alternator. And if you get too much or too big of a system, then you have to start spending a lot of money on upgrading your alternator and your EGR valves and all that kind of stuff, your air sensors, your mass sensors, all that stuff. So I'm trying to keep mine low key, and I might not get as much production out of it as a lot of people, but it's doing what I need it to do for now. But eventually I do want to try to make it to where I get more production out of it and get better, more gas mileage than I'm getting. But I'm getting ready to take a trip up to Alabama, and when I do, I will be able to tell you on a video after that about the gas mileage. But I'm happy with it so far, and good luck on installing your HHO system.